Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can connect Telegram with Tonkeeper. So the first step you need to do is to open Telegram and you need to select Toncoin, click on open app, and once you open Notcoin, so this is an example that I am showing to connect your Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper. So once you are here, you simply need to click on Notcoin, or you simply need to click on connect wallet on the top, and here you need to select Tonkeeper, open with just once, and here you need to, let me close this one for example first. Okay, sure, let me show you. And now it is continue in Tonkeeper, so it will take few seconds, and after that your Tonkeeper is connected with your wallet, Telegram wallet. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.